Have you ever dreamed of owning your very own flying vehicle? Well, the future is no longer a dream. Meet the Pivotal BlackFly, one of the most exciting personal aircraft ever created. This incredible electric aircraft looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's real, and it's designed to let ordinary people experience personal flight in a whole new way. The BlackFly takes off and lands vertically, which means it doesn't need a runway. Just imagine lifting off from a small open area and soaring above the landscape with breathtaking views all around you. Powered by advanced electric motors, the aircraft offers a quieter and cleaner flying experience compared to traditional aircraft. Its sleek, futuristic design isn't just for looks. It's built for efficiency, stability, and performance. One of the most amazing things about the BlackFly is how simple it is to operate. Advanced flight control systems help make flying easier and more accessible, opening the door for a new generation of personal air travel. Whether you're a technology enthusiast, an aviation fan, or someone who simply loves futuristic inventions, the Pivotal BlackFly is a glimpse into what transportation could look like in the years ahead. So, would you take a ride in this futuristic flying machine? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing technology from the future.